welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another vacation day vlog. So it is currently noon and I dropped my sister, first I slept in, then I dropped my sister off at work, and then I went to the nail salon and I got a manicure. This is just a shellac manicure. It's super cute. It's like a light pinkish purple, and then I also got my toes done. I won't show you those, but anyway, yeah, I got this done. And then I'm wearing this cute little outfit. I have this little baby doll white shirt from Abercrombie, and then I have my favorite jeans on from Old Navy. But yeah, it's super cute. Love my outfit. Have this on. But yeah, so I'm going to be going to the beach soon. I'm just stopping here, having a little bit of lunch, and then I'm gonna drive out to the beach. I got lots of sun yesterday when I was at my cottage. I didn't even go in the water, but I just was, you know, hanging around. As you can see, I have some nice tan lines, and they're even worse on my back, but hopefully it'll just fade into a tan. I was wearing sunscreen, lots of it, but hey, sometimes you just get more sun, and I'm very fair skinned, so it is what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the beach. I'm going by myself, but yeah, I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna read, and if it's nice enough, I'll probably go in the water and grab something to eat, but I'll bring you along for that ride. I took the top down in the car today, so I've been driving around with no roof, which is also fun. And yeah, this is gonna be like a new little series on my channel, all my Mondays off for the summer. So yeah, I'm just trying to make the most of them and, you know, live it up, because summer here is so short, so just trying to live it up, go to the beach as much as possible, read lots of books, and, you know, just do what makes me happy. So glad I got my nails done this morning. They look so good, so much better than what they were before. And yeah, so that's kind of what's going on. I'm gonna make some lunch, hang out with my dog, because he's been home alone for the morning, which, you know, he's never home alone. So yeah, so I'm gonna hang out with him for a little bit. I'll give you a little Frank sneak peek. He's currently in the kitchen. Say hi, Frank. Say hi, buddy. Can you say hi? You've gotten so big. Did you want to tell them what you did yesterday? Frank ate a whole new bag of treats. A whole bag all by himself. We left him in the cottage when we went over to our friend's cottage, and he ate the whole bag all by himself. We had just opened it that day, so he's nice and full. And yeah, this is Frank. He's nice and big, and he's been such a good boy. Are you tired? Were you swimming yesterday, Frank? Yes. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on right now. My supper, or my lunch, is done, so I'm gonna have a quick bite, and then I will catch you in the car on the way to the beach. After the beach, I have to go pick my sister up, and then we have our workout class together. So yeah, I'll do that, and then I'm just gonna probably edit for the rest of the evening. If it's still nice out, I might go to a pool or something, but we'll just kind of see what's going on. Alright, so I packed my phone, my book. I'm reading Untamed by Glennon Doyle. I really like it so far. I think I just maybe lost my place in the book. Oh no, I put a little thing. Alright, so yeah, I'm reading this book right now. I really like it. So far so good. I have my chair. I'm right by the ocean. I'm gonna read. I got 2 towels, my water bottle. I didn't bring any snacks, but I might get ice cream or something later. And then I brought another towel. And then another little pro tip: if you put on baby powder, you won't get sand on you. It will just fall right off. So I have that for after the beach, so I don't get a bunch of sand in my car. I have my wallet, and I brought my AirPods to listen to some music. And I brought some sunscreen and my keys. And then I have these little flip-flops, sandals from Old Navy, and they're perfect for the beach. So here I am at the beach. and I think I might make myself a footstool because this chair is really high, and I'm just gonna read. But you see there's some really pretty rocks behind me, some sandstone, and then this is my view, and there is not a soul near me, so that's why I can vlog and not be shy. But that view is like priceless. Maybe I'll go down in the water and I'll show you the water.
It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You and I get free attitude. Who cares what the people think? It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria? Don't worry about it, don't worry about a damn thing. I'm too excited, dark liquor with the palm trees. It's all or nothing, ooh, it's all or nothing. Ignore the signs and socialize. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You and I get free attitude. Who cares what the people think? 'Cause it's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You and I get free attitude. Who cares what the people think?
Hey guys, welcome back. So, since you last saw me, I got home from the beach, and then I hung out with my mom and my dog for a bit, and then I went to go pick up my sister from work, and then after that we went and did a workout. We did a stretch and strength class, so that was really good. It's more like Pilates style, yoga style. And then after that we came home and we had some delicious buttered chicken with coconut rice, and then after that we just hung out on our back deck and we planned our vacation to Montreal. It's happening in the winter. We're going to see Elton John, so I'm super excited about that. So I have to book my hotels for that in February. And then now I'm going to clean my office because it is a literal disaster. I have laundry, I have my bag from the cottage, I have my beach bag, I have clothes on the ground, I have a rain jacket because we had a hurricane, I have stuff everywhere from work last week, like my laptop and phone, work phone and all that kind of stuff. So I really need to clean this, but I also need to edit tonight because I need to put up last week's vacation day vlog, and then I have another video to film, not tomorrow but Wednesday morning. So yeah, I really have a lot to clean, so I thought, I got this new tripod, so I thought I'll just put you up on this and I will clean and you can watch me clean and do a little montage. I have so much to clean and it stressed me out a little bit, so I'm gonna put a show on and or a podcast or something, probably a show, and get to cleaning, or maybe a YouTube. I think someone uploaded today, but I'll watch. So yeah, I'm gonna start cleaning up and I'll show you the before and then I'll show you the after. It's really bad. Like, this room is so small, but it gets so bad so quick, so I'll just show you what it's like.